so what I was saying is I need to create a hole for the head, and I'm going to select a group of faces that I can use to eventually, well, extrude and then eventually cut away to make that hole. So I'm going to select these 4 faces this time, and I'll shift right click and then extrude face, and I will go to my scaling tool and scale that down, and I've got more geometry. And I'm kind of do the same thing I did for the tail, but I'm going to do it for the head this time, except the hole needs to be larger, especially according to my drawings. So I'm going to select the 4 faces that were I'm going to keep the 4 faces that were selected, and then add 2 more at the bottom, and then delete them. Okay, and I'm going to use these remaining new faces to build out this hole for the front of the turtle. So selecting in this view, and then manipulating in the front view, I'm going to situate these vertices. And then in the side view, without losing that selection, I'm going to pull them out to make sure they match up in that view also. I am making some artistic decisions at this point concerning this part of the shell. Okay, now I've selected those 2 vertices, the next 2 up. I'm going to scale them in. And my drawing is not centered very well, so I have to make a choice how I want it to be. And I'm going to move these out. Okay. I'm going to select vertices. I'm going to slide them out. Probably move them down. Which makes me think I want to move the previous 2 vertices down, so I can get a little nicer hole in the shell. Now I've selected all 3 of them. I'm going to scale in Y to kind of, you see the results in that perspective view. And then I'm going to pull that in. Now it doesn't match my drawing at all, so I kind of lost track. I wasn't looking at my drawing, so I need to move this up. And you grab this next set, move them up, so I can get back on my model. They call that being on model. Okay, and then I got to move this portion up. Okay, so now I've kind of got a view of the shell, and it doesn't look that great yet, but we'll continue to move forward.